My friends in Philippines asking how to start. I hear you. You want to know the 2026 pay rate for bar utility and bar server. Here is the 640 truth. For bar utility, you are looking at $800 to $1,200 a month start. It's hard work, but it gets you on the ship. For bar servers, the money is in the tips. In 2026, a good bar server can make $2,500 to $4,000 every single month. But listen to me, don't get stuck at the bottom. You need the 9 years shortcut to move up fast. I can answer every message one on one. So I put the full guide in the vault for you. Go to ship handle 640 and watch the full video on the 5 gold mine job. I break down the pay and the shortcut for every role. The vault is open. Go to ship handle 640 now. Let's get to work. Out.